simplest explanation of the heart and circulatory system that I can come up with. The drawing is anatomically incorrect, but I believe it's much easier to grasp for the uninitiated. When most people see a real anatomical drawing of the heart and its maze of blood vessels, you can see a veil of non-comprehension drop over their face. The drawing I did 2 years ago, the verbalization, is new. The heart beats under its own power. The cardiac cells produce electrical energy, which stimulates the heart muscle to contract or beat. Our brain controls other cardiac functions, such as increasing or decreasing the intrinsic rate and increasing or decreasing blood pressure based upon information it receives and signals it sends out to other body systems. The heart has 4 chambers. The upper chambers are called atria. The lower chambers are called ventricles. The heart has 2 sides, a left and a right. The heart is a mechanical, 2-sided, 4-chambered pump and is the power behind circulating our blood throughout our body, including all systems, organs, and our brain. The blood carries nutrients and oxygen to our body cells and carries waste of carbon dioxide away to be filtered and expelled by other systems. Circulation starts in the right atrium, where blood depleted of oxygen, represented here in blue, pours in from veins that collect blood to return it to the heart. An electrical impulse originating from the heart cells takes place, which causes contraction of the atria, closes the atrial valves via back pressure, and forces blood into the right ventricle. A delayed electrical impulse then causes the ventricles to contract, which through back pressure closes the valve to the atrium and forces blood out of the ventricle into arteries serving the lungs. In the lungs, our blood rids itself of carbon dioxide and replaces it with oxygen. Our new oxygen-rich blood is represented here in red. This freshly oxygenated blood then flows to the heart and enters the left atrium. When the atrium responds to electrical stimulation, it contracts, closing the valves to the veins that supply it, and forcing the blood into the left ventricle, where a delayed electrical impulse then starts a ventricular contraction that closes the valve between the ventricle and the atrium via back pressure. Blood is now forced out of the ventricle and into the main artery that supplies blood to the body. Back pressure now closes the valve between the artery and ventricle. The blood now under pressure is circulating to all of the body systems and organs, delivering oxygenated blood and nutrients at a cellular level. Here, waste and carbon dioxide are transferred to the blood, and the blood finds its way back to the heart through the venous system, where it ends up flowing back into the right atrium, and the circle of life goes on. Thanks for watching this video.